Okay, hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, so today we're going to talk about SIA again, Singapore Airline. Okay, so today is the ex-right date and we see that the share price actually went down. Okay, went down more than 20%. Okay, so is it a good time to look at the airline stocks? Okay, let's hear from what Warren Buffett actually recently talked about the airline industry. Okay, let's find out. Alright, I believe you have seen the SIA price actually drop more than 20% today. And what does it mean to investors in Singapore who's looking at SIA? So today, okay, of course, later on we'll talk about what Warren Buffett actually have to say about the airline industry and why he actually sold all his airline. But before that, let's just continue to share with you, okay, if you are a SIA shareholder or if you are looking at SIA, what is this rights issue all about? Okay, so SIA, Singapore Airline, okay, basically had its ex-right, okay, today, 6th of May, and the stock open price is $4.23, okay, and that's like 28% lower than the previous day. Okay, so what happened here is after that it went back up. So if you look at the chart, okay, basically it opened low and it actually went back up. Okay, so of course people who have buy the stocks at the low, okay, probably you are actually making money right now. And basically when rights issue, what we are looking at is also what is the theoretical price that the share price should adjust. Okay, because what's happening here is basically the issue of rights is basically offering the existing shareholder to have more shares, okay, at the lower rate. Okay, so basically the theoretical ex-right price was $4.40. Okay, so basically what they do here is they calculate based on the number of shares that's offered and based on the price, okay, that's offered. Okay, they calculated, okay, it's supposed to be $4.40, and today, okay, basically it opened lower, okay, than the theoretical price, and it hit back up. So in the short term, basically, it's a lot of reaction as in people are buying and selling, okay, these SIA shares, more like a speculative move, okay, speculative move. So you can see it opened at $4.20 and it went up all the way as high as $5, okay, as high as $5. But we can see as of now the price start to pull back closer to the $4.40. And yep, okay, what as a shareholder, what are you expecting? What is expecting? A lot of people have been asking the same questions. Okay, like when will they get the letters? How do they actually subscribe to this rights issue? Okay, so basically you can download, okay, and go to SGX and look for the announcement, okay, SIA announcement, or even sometimes the SIA website, the company website itself will have this what we call this kind of announcement. So what is the important things is the date. So existing shareholder, they will be getting these rights, and what you need to know here is what is the trading dates, okay, the trading dates, and when does it start trading and when it end trading. Okay, so first of all, you can see from here, commencement of tradings of rights. Okay, so commencement of tradings of rights from 13 May. Okay, from 13 May. Okay, this is very important. Okay, this is very important. Why? It's because, okay, if okay, people will see that this rights is not a good offer. Okay, if they think there's not a good offer, if most of the investors think there's not a good offer, they will sell the rights in the open market. Okay, they will sell the rights in the open market, and usually first day you got the best price, and last day usually if everybody is dumping, then the last day you have no choice. You have to sell at a lower price. So it depends whether what is the expected what do people expect out of this rights issue. Is the company going to be better, or is the company going to okay, they really need money? Okay, so over here, besides this, okay, you can see that 13 May is where you can start buying, and you can sell off the rights that you actually do not want to subscribe. Okay, so after you sell off, you will left with just the shares. So if in any case there's more shares from the rights, okay, you will not get additional shares. Okay, So next thing, okay, last day, okay, this is also very important. The last day and time, okay, for splitting and trading of rights, okay, last day is 21st May, 5 p.m. Okay, that means what? That means if you want the rights, okay, if you want to subscribe new shares, more shares, yes, okay, go ahead and keep these rights. And after that, they will send you a letter. You just sign, and you will get you pay the money, and you get this okay, you get this additional shares. But if you are not going to do that, okay, please remember to sell off. Okay, please remember to sell off by the end of the last date. Okay, last date of this trading of rights. Okay, so remember that. If not, okay, the rights will expire. Okay, will expire. So you didn't go and subscribe, and you didn't sell off the rights. That will be a loss. Okay, that will be a loss to you. Okay, so basically, yep. Okay, more. Okay, some people will be asking also, some other things people ask. Okay, when will they get the information or all that? Okay, they will dispatch the information, the offer information on 13 May. Okay, so right now, if you don't get anything, you don't get any letters that's being sent to you, don't worry. Okay, it's not yet. Okay, it's not there yet. Okay, they need to record who is the shareholder first. They need to record that who is the shareholder, and then they will send out the offer to the shareholders, okay, that hold across the X rights. Okay, so yep, this is the technical part. Okay, let's take a look at some other like news and some other this interesting stuff. Okay, so if you look at what's happening here is I did some like research. I did some like Google, okay, for this SIA, and one of the news that caught my eyes is now, okay, what's interesting here is SIA actually are just like other airlines, okay, they are parking the plane, okay, in the desert. And these are some of the interesting things is, okay, they say $1 billion worth of aircraft, okay, is all like mothballed in desert near Alice Spring, which is I think in Australia. And these are some of the pictures that is showing like all these $1 billion aircraft, okay, is actually parking there. Okay, so besides this, what interesting is this is one of the Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway meetings. Okay, so the good news is you look at CNBC, there's a summary of the whole thing. Okay, the summary of the whole thing is pretty interesting. Okay, why? Because it talks about the coronavirus. It's also talk about the why they actually get out of the airline industry. Of course, like what I say, if you buy in the morning, this morning, you would be making money even though Warren Buffett is selling. So there's no, whether we should buy or we should sell airlines. It's all up to you. Okay, what's your trading strategy and what do you want to do with the shares? Okay, you are short-term trading, you are long-term investment. Things might change, right? Okay, so let's take it with a pinch of salt. Okay, we do not have to always follow Warren Buffett, but let's take a look. Okay, I think it's good to know. Okay, Berkshire sold all its airline stocks. Okay, it sold all its airline stocks. So their position include United Airlines, American Airlines, Southwest Airlines, Delta Airlines. So basically, it's quite many positions. So prior stakes worth of 4 billion in December. Okay, in December it's worth 4 billion, and they sold it all. Okay, so why Warren Buffett said that he actually sold all his airline stocks, okay, is because of the coronavirus. He said that the world has changed for airlines, and I don't know how it changed, and I hope it corrects itself in a reasonably prompt way. Okay, he said, and I don't know if Americans have now changed their habits or will change their habits because of the extended period. Okay, so basically the airline stocks that Warren Buffett down has dropped as much as 70% this year as of Friday. Okay, it was a rare sales for a buy and hold investors. So even Warren Buffett, okay, he know how to cut loss. Okay, that's something that I learned, from this article. Okay, so if you are wrong, we cut loss. If you are right, okay, we continue to hold on to the shares. So the thing here is, you know, like Warren Buffett, he actually is getting out. But from what we actually see is a lot of retail investors who are, you know, who are pretty new, okay, they are actually getting into the airline industry. So I'm not sure, okay, I'm not sure whether, you know, whether is it, you know, airline industry will be continue to be good or continue to be bad, okay, we're not sure. So leave in a comment below, let us know what is your opinion, okay, leave in a comment below so that we know that, you know, okay, who actually is right eventually. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Please remember to subscribe and like our video. Okay, we hope to create more like this kind of content. So if you like our video, please remember to, you know, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, see you soon. Okay, and take care.